Hi, I'm Daisy Hilbin of Hiltop Realty, and today I'm excited to show you my newest listing at 29800 Boathouse Cove in Menifee. Upstairs you will find a loft, 2 bedrooms, another spacious bathroom, large laundry space, and a fantastic master suite featuring dual walk-in closets, dual sinks, and a relaxing soaking tub. Don't miss out on this opportunity to own a fully upgraded home at an amazing price. For more information on this home or any other listings, please don't hesitate to call. I'm Daisy with Hiltop Realty, and I can't wait to hear from you.